guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your OPPO Find N2 Flip louder. So there is two ways for it. First one is by the settings, then go to the sound and slide down to the Dolby Atmos. Now just choose the loudest equalizer. In my case it's movie, and that's it. But if that way is not enough for you, you can also try to download a volume booster app. I'm always using this app, this is the name of it, so just look for this app in the Google Play Store and install it. Now click no thank you 3 times and just close window. Tap on the OK. And now if you want to boost your volume power, just use this little slider and increases it by sliding to the right. And this is how it works. If you want to turn off this feature, tap on the stop service and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.